Good morning, students. In my previous videos, Heron's formula part 1 and part 2, I have discussed about some basic terms, formula and exercise 12.1 of NCERT. In this video, we will know about applications of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilaterals. For that, we should divide the quadrilateral in triangular parts. Today, I will take some questions from exercise 12.2. This is the first question which I am taking. A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, has angles C 90 degree, AB is 9 meter, BC is 12 meter, CD 5 meter and AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Now we have to find it. So I have already made the figure here. You see angle C is 90 degree, so we have to make 90 degree here and we can form the quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, first of all, we have to draw BD diagonal to make this quadrilateral in triangular parts. Now, if we see triangle solution is that in triangle B, C and D, it is 90 degree angle. So, first we find BD by using Pythagoras theorem. So, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Now BC square is 12 square plus 5 square, so it will be equal to 144 plus 25. So BD will be equal to 169, it is BD square here. So BD will be equal to square root of 169, that is 13 centimeters. Now we have found BD 13 centimeters. Nothing. So area of triangle BCD is equal to half into base into height. So half base is here 12, height is 5. So you will get 30 meters square. This is the area of the first triangle. Now we will take the second triangle. Second triangle is A, B and D. In this triangle, we will use Heron's formula. So first A is equal to, side 1 is equal to 13 meters, B is equal to 9 meters and C is equal to 8 meters. So first find S, A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 13 plus 9 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 30 divided by 2, so that is equal to 15 meter. Now use Heron's formula. Heron's formula is equal to area of triangle S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put the value. S is already we have got 15, so it is 15, 15 minus 13, 15 minus 9 and 15 minus 8. So you will see this is equal to 15. So 15 into 2 into 6 into 7. So when you solve it, you will get 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So ultimately you will get, if you are making a pair, you will get here that is equal to 6 root 35, and the value of root 35 is, if you calculate, you will get it is 5.9 approximately. So the answer will be 35.4 meters square. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. So it is equal to, we have got 30 meters square plus 35.4 meters square. So when you add it, you will get this is equal to 65.4 meters square. This is the area of the quadrilateral. Now second question we will take here. Second question is, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the sides of a triangle is 26, 28 and 30 centimeters and the parallelogram stands on the base 28. Find the height of the parallelogram. So here we have to find the height of the parallelogram. First, you see the area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. So first of all, we will find the area of triangle, that is A, B and E. So here A is equal to, A is given 28, A is given 28. So write 28, B is equal to 26 and C is equal to 30. Now find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 28 plus 26 plus 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 84 divided by 2, that is equal to 42 centimeters. Okay. Now area of triangle, use Hero's formula. So area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So area of triangle will be equal to, S is 42, 42 minus 26, then 42 minus 28, then 42 minus, that is 30. So 42 into 16 into 14 into 12. So when you solve it, you will get 7 into 6, it is 4 into 4 into 2 into 7 and 2 into 2 into 3. So ultimately when you are making the pair, you will get here, all are in pairs, so for nothing to do, that is you just do it, 7 into 4 into 12, that is equal to 336 centimeter square. Okay. Now it is given that area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. So area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. So it is area of triangle base into height, and it is already, we have got 336, but base is given here. Base is given here is 28. So 28 into H is equal to 336. So H is equal to 336 divided by 28. So height will be equal to 12 centimeters. This question number 2 we have done. Now we will take another question. Another question is that, you see, question number 3. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each size of the rhombus is given 30 meter and its longest diagonal is given 48, how much area of the grass field each cow will be getting? So now we can solve it like that. See, as we know, the diagonal of a rhombus make two triangles of equal area. So area of A, B, C, D is actually twice multiplication of area of triangle A, B and C. So if we find the area of triangle ABC and multiply it by 2, we'll get the whole area. Okay, now in this case A is given 30 meters, B is given 30 meters and C is given 48 meters. Now first find S. S is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2, that is 108, divided by 2, that is 54 meters. Okay, which is 54 meters. Now find the area of triangle. This is ABC. S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S is 54, 54 minus A 30, 54 minus 30 and again 54 minus 48. So what you get here, 54 and then 24 into 24 into, that is 6. Now they are already made pair here. So if you are making the pair, you just and solve it, you will get 432 meters square is the area of this triangle. Now area of quadrilateral, 2 into area of triangle ABC. So it is 2 into area of triangle is 432 meters square. That will be equal to 864. And this area this area is grazed by 18 cows. So each cow will get, and you can write here rhombus also. You can write rhombus. So now area of triangle, each cow will get 864 divided by 18 meters square of the area. So each cow will get 48 meters square area to be grazed. This question number 5 we have done. Now we will take some other question. Next question is question number 7. It is here a kite. A kite is in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 and isosceles triangle is at the base. This is isosceles triangle and the diagonals are given here 32, and we have to find the, here there are 3 different shades, one shade, second and third shade. There are 3 shades are used to make this kite. So we have to find the area of each shade used. So we know that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect at 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Now diagonal is 30. So you see this is 30, this is also 30, but now it is 15 and 15. It is 15, it is also 15. So if you see area of first part is equal to half into base into height. So half into base into height. So base is what? Base is 30 and height is 15. So you will get here 15, 15, 20, 225. You will get 225. So it is equal to 256 centimeters square. Actually it is 32 not 30, so it will be 16 and 16. Okay, it will be 16 and 16 because it is given 32 and okay. Now next is the next part, area of second part. Is again same, half into base into height. So half into base is 32, height is 16. So here we will get 256 centimeters square. Now area of third part. It is a triangle. So in this triangle, A is equal to, it is a triangle. So A is here 8, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to also 6. So first find S. S will be equal to A plus B plus C. So it will be 8 plus 6 divided by 2. That will be 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 centimeters. Now area of triangle is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So it will be equal to, S is what? 10, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 6. So it will be equal to 10 into 2 into 4 into 4. So when you solve it, you will get it 8 root 5. And if you put the value of the 8 root 5, you will get 8 into 2.24, that is equal to 17.92 centimeters square. So shaded part required is 256 centimeters square. Second part is also 256 centimeters square and third part is 17.92 centimeters square. These are three shaded part we required. With this question is finished. Now we'll take the one more question here. That is question number 9. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are given 25 and 10 and non-parallel sides is 14 and 13. So first we what we do? First we draw AE parallel to DC. Therefore you can say that A, E, C and D is parallelogram now. So in that case, therefore AE is also equal to 14 meters. Now draw AM perpendicular on BE. Now take triangle ABE. Now take triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, A is equal to 13, B is equal to, you see, this is 25, 10 is left here, so it is 15. This is 15. And C is equal to 14. So when you find S will be equal to 13 plus 15 plus 14, that is by divided by 2 is equal to 42 divided by 2, that is equal to 21 meters. Now area of triangle is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the area of triangle. So put the value here, 21. 21 minus A is 13. 21 minus B, that is 15, and 21 minus, that is 14. So you will see here it is 21, 13, so it is into 8, into 6, into 7. Okay, now when you solve it, you will get it here 3 into 7, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 3, and 7. So all are become pairs. So I think you can do it now. So it is 3 into 7 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 84 meters square. This is the one thing we have done. Now second thing is that now area of triangle we have got. Now area of triangle is also, we know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now area of triangle we have already got. Area of triangle we have already got, that is 84. The base into height, base is 15 into height. So 84 into 2 divided by 15 is equal to height. So height will be equal to 11.2 meters. Now area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides into height. So half sum of parallel sides is 25 plus 10 multiply by 11 by 2. So it is equal to half into 35 into 11.2. So when you solve it, you will get 392 divided by 2, that is equal to 196 meters square. So area of trapezium is 196 meters square, and with this question we are finished this chapter. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.